Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do direct comparison of length and width of objects. So before we get started on the direct comparison, I want to go over some vocabulary words. The first one is length. Length means going side to side. So when we're describing length, something can be longer or shorter than another object. The other vocabulary word is height. Height means going up and down. So this index card is going side to side, so it's length. But this index card is going up and down, that's height. And when we describe height, we can say that something is taller than something else. Let's move this down. Or that it can be shorter than something else. So when we're talking about height, it's taller or shorter. If we're talking about length, that would be longer or shorter. So shorter is actually for both length and height, but the difference is longer and taller when something is bigger. So to help us remember, I'm going to move this up here like this. And I'm going to put something right here. And this will give us a quick remembrance of if something is taller, or if it's the height or the length. Height goes this way, length goes this way. So I'm going to keep this card out and I'm going to use it. We're going to move these over. And I'm going to look at some objects. So for instance, if I have this paper clip and we want to, or not paper clip, Post-it, and we want to talk about the height and the length. The height would be going up and down. That's our red word, that's the height. And this would be length. That's the blue line. So height and length. So if I look at these two objects, I have a Post-it and I have a glue stick. Which of them is taller? Well, actually, they are both the same height, but which of these is longer? Oop, they actually have the same length. So they have the same height and the same length. Though, if I use this marker, which one is taller? If you said the marker is taller. If I have this pair of scissors and this marker, which one is shorter? If you said the marker was shorter, you are correct. Now let's go on to length. If I have these scissors and I have this glue stick, which one is longer? If you said the scissors, you would be correct. The scissors are longer. Which of these two objects is shorter? If you said the glue stick, you are correct. The glue stick is shorter. So when you have two objects, you could talk about longer, shorter, or taller and shorter. So let me get two different objects. If I get this index card and this marker, if I hold them up just like this, and I want to talk about the height that's going up and down, which one is taller? The marker is taller. So with these same two objects, which one is shorter? The index, if you said the index card, you're correct. The index card is shorter. Now, if we can use these same two objects and we're talking about length. Now, I'm going to take this marker and I'm going to turn it on its side so it's a little easier to see. Which of these objects are longer? That's going side to side. If you said the marker, you are correct. Which of these two objects is shorter when we're talking about length? If you said the index card, you are correct. So before we go, I want to review our vocabulary one more time. For length, things can be longer or shorter. For the word height, that is, remember, going up and down, these can be taller or shorter. I can't wait to see you again next time. Thank you.